back to the channel. Today we are at Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve. This is famous for its huge sand dunes and the Medano Creek, which is dry right now. It is also famous for the beach created at the base of the sand dunes. So come, let's enjoy lots and lots of sand together. Created in 2004, Colorado's newest national park, Sand Dunes National Park, also happens to be the sandiest. But even if you don't like sand, there is plenty more than that. Let's check out. There is hidden in the Colorado Rockies a great valley called San Luis. On this valley eastern edge, glowing in the aura of mystery, lies Great Sand Dunes National Park. This park and preserve of Colorado features first lakes, mountains, grasslands, and of course dunes. Stark Dune, the tallest dune in North America, stands at 750 feet from base to summit. Here lofty peaks whoop down into the folds of Mammoth Desert at the foot of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Winds over 10 centuries are blasting, scooping and molding these billions and trillions of tiny grains into dunes. These are nature's sand castles. From ancient river beds, prevailing winds carrying sands and unstoppable eastward gust, but the formidable Sangre de Mountain blocks them. At different times, a modest creek flows through the dunes, Medano Creek, keeping the sand from clogging from mountain passes. Though protected by windbreak mountains, these dunes are desert, high, cold desert. Temperature fluctuates from summer heat waves high to winter sub-zero low. This is one of the diversible US National Park. These mountains are integral part of Rocky Mountain Range. Human beings are dwarfed by these towering sandscape and sometimes overwhelmed. For many visitors, sand triggers the urge to play, to leap off the crest of the dunes, to be a kid again.
So dear friends, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, do like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell button to get notified. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.